Go to source the laser printer driver from Google, or you can get it from the printer CD card, CD driver. Say we go to that's the printer, and now that is 1008. This one, this printer. We go to choose the operating systems. For D3, that is Windows XP, and 33-bit. Windows XP and 32 bits, and then you see there is a driver installation. You can download it. So save it to you can go to connect one to your disk, and then connect it with your computer. Now you can save the file to your disk directly. Choose your disk and then download it. Finished. Please go to your disk to check if you have this one, date. So it already saved to your disk successfully. You find the printer HP laser trait P111008, and try to collect the printer with the ultrasound scanner. Make sure the printer is turning on. And then we go to see, this is a U disk. We connect it to the ultrasound. Then we go to the Windows system by press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete button at the same time. Now we go to press Task Manager. Go to press File, New Task. Press OK. Then we go to my computer and find the U disk. Go to the printer driver, this one, copy this one, copy to the disk here, and then paste it, press yes. Now we double click the printer drive, run it, then next, collect. Software installation complete, then finish. Go to remove the disk. We go to close this and try to find the control panel. Here is the control panel. And then we go to see the printer and the faxes. See, this is the 1008 printer driver, and normally we set it as the default. This is already the default printer. That's it. And then we close this. We try to check reporter and make a report. And then we go to preview it. Like press print. See, because there are several printer drivers here. This is a video printer, and this is the one we collected. And option S3250. Let's go to choose this and press OK. So it works now.